Pag nag-aaral, ang mahirap talaga yan, nakaka-stress pa. Pero dahil kay Cash, nag-aaral ako ng ganang pumasok araw-araw.
What am I doing here? May kliyente pa ako.
Perfect! Excellent! Oh, pack up na, pack up na! Yes, what can I do for you guys?
Nakakahiya. Isang beses lang po ata, late na po kasi ko na ako eh.
Siyempre, 3 times a day. Lalo na at businessman ako. Marami ang mga kliyente.
Of course, I always brush my teeth. Artista kaya ako.
Bad breath affects millions of people nowadays, even when a person brushes and flosses their teeth regularly. The condition is most often caused by food stuck between the teeth or a bacterium in the oral cavity. There are many commercial toothpastes and the mouth-washing products on the market, but they are expensive and full of chemicals that can worsen the condition. This is why we recommend a natural remedy that will help you get rid of bad breath forever.
Oh, talaga po?
Oh? Really?
Pwede nga, totoo to.
Wow, kulong! Kulay and long-lasting freshness. Amazing! Magkakaroon na ako ng lakas ng loob because si Crush.
Wow! Kulong? Cool and long-lasting freshness? Mukhang dadami ang kliyente ko nito.
Wow! Cool, no? Cool and long-lasting freshness? Malaking tulong to ah! Hindi na ako mangangamba kahit whole day pang shooting. Cool lang toothpaste. Try nyo